In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Steam email address even if you no longer have access to your old email. This is a common issue for many Steam users, especially if the original email was deleted, lost, or you simply forgot the login details. The good news is that Steam provides a built-in recovery process that lets you update your email safely through your account settings. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can regain control of your account and update your contact email quickly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Steam and tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you are logged into your account. Once Steam is open, look toward the top right corner of the window where your profile name appears. Click on your profile name to open the account menu. A drop-down list will appear with several options related to your Steam account. From this menu, select Account Details. This will take you to the account management page where you can update your security information, contact details, and other settings connected to your Steam account. After you open the Account Details page, scroll through the available options until you find a section for contact information. Here you will see the option that says Change my email address. Go ahead and click on that option to begin the email change process. Steam will now ask how you want to verify the change. Since the goal here is to change your email without access to the old one, select the option that says, I no longer have access to this email address. This tells Steam that you need to verify your identity using other account recovery methods instead of your previous email inbox. After selecting that option, Steam will guide you through an account verification process. Depending on your account setup, you may be asked to confirm your identity using your phone number, SteamGuard Mobile Authenticator, or other recovery information linked to your account. Follow the instructions on the screen and complete the verification steps carefully. Once your identity is confirmed, Steam will allow you to enter a new email address for your account. Type in the new email address that you want to use going forward. Make sure the email is active and accessible because Steam will send a confirmation code to that address. After entering the new email, check your inbox for the verification message from Steam. Copy the verification code that was sent to your new email address and enter it into the confirmation field on Steam. Once the code is accepted, your Steam email address will be successfully updated. That's it. Your account is now linked to the new email instead of the old one. And that's how you change your Steam email address even if you no longer have access to the original email. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.